What's happening, sixth graders? We are back and we are getting serious with these percentages. And now we're going to have to figure out what is 25% of a number or any percent of a number. This one wants to know 25% of 40. And this will again help you when you're in the store wondering what is 25% of 40. So we got to be careful on these and make sure we answer the question that they're asking because there's multiple things that we could be finding out. And we have to make sure we answer what they ask for. So 25% of 40. How do we figure that out? Well, we know that 25% is 1/4. So this is one way is to write the percent as a fraction and then multiply. Okay. So you can multiply 1/4 times 40. And you end up with 40 over 4 or 10 over 1, dividing out the common factor, and 10 over 1 is 10. So 10 is 25% of 40. So 10 out of 40, just like if you were to break it up into 4 pieces, 10, 20, 30, 40. Remember, 1/4 is 25%. So this is another new thing. And so we got to make sure that we write down these steps and look at these are in the notes. So step number 1 would be to write the percent as a fraction and then multiply. Okay. Here's a little map of you can write 0%, 25, 50, just like quarters, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, and then just fill in the first 1/4 of it, and that tells you that it's 10. So if you were to have something that cost $40 and they said 25% off, then that would be $10 off, which would mean your price is $30 plus tax. So use a fraction to find 80% of 75. So what we're going to do is turn 80% into a fraction, which is 8 over 10. 80 over 10 or 8 over 10 or 4 over 5 would be the lowest one. So I would try to use the smallest one possible. Let's take a look at this tutorial and see how they do it.
Use a fraction to find 80% of 75. Multiply 80% by 75. Convert 80% into a fraction. Multiply 4/5 by 75. Reduce the fraction. Multiply 4 by 15. You find that 80% of 75 is 60.
Okay, she went super fast. So let me break it down a little slower. 80% of 75, usually an of means multiply. So 80%, she did 4/5. So that was 80 over 100 reduced to 4/5. So you can divide it by 2 and you get 40 over 50. Divided by 2 again, you get 20 over 25. Divided by 4 or 5, and you end up with 4 over 5. So this is 80% right here, 4 over 5. Okay, and then multiply by 75. We multiplied by fractions quite a bit so far, and you end up with 60. So there you have it. That's one way by using a fraction to find a percentage. All right, we're rolling. We're rolling. Keep up the good work.